Seven celebrities that got divorced a whole lot. Marriage is not that easy for most people. The whole issue starts with someone you want to legally tie your life to. And then you actually have to overcome all obstacles along the way and stay together. With life being what is it? It's not that rare to imagine that sometimes people just part way. On the other hand, some people just can't seem to stay married to literally anyone. You might start to wonder whether it's just them and not everyone around them. We are not here to judge but only the observe. Let's take a look at some of the celebrities that got divorced more time than most of you will care to count. Billy Bob Thornton, 5 divorces. Billy Bob was pretty much the guy before Brangelina and he will always stay that way. But divorcing Angelina Jolie was the fifth time he called his lawyer to get rid of his wife. After Angelina Jolie, Billy has not remarried and that kind of makes sense. Where do you go when you are already been at the top? The next, Larry King, 7 divorces, nearly reaching the top score on this list with a whopping 7 divorces. Larry King was mostly known for his love of journalism and pretty ladies. One thing that should be noted about this man's marriage history is that it looks more like a resume where marriages seem to roll over into one another smoothly. Just imagine how much he spends on alimonies every year. Next, James Cameron, 5 divorces. Just like Jack could not hold on to the hug floating door in Titanic, James Cameron could not hold on to either of his 5 ex-wives. His love life seemed to have a general pattern of director fall in love with an actress, marries her, movies on to a new project, meets new actress, marries her at new cinema. Among his ex-wives are, for example, Linda Hamilton, whom you might or might not know from a little movie called Terminator. We would not exploit who directed it, but I think you can guess it already. Jerry Lee Lewis, 6 divorces. It would have to be a special sort of irony that would put the genius behind the song Great Balls of Fire on a list of people with the most divorces. Does that mean that the song has a double meaning? Either way, the most scandalous of his marriage was the one of Maria Gail Brown. They were married for quite a long time, but she was only 13 when they got married, and she was his cousin. Just imagine the faces of everyone at their wedding. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire indeed. Pamela Anderson, 4 divorces. Being married 4 times, her most known marriages were to rock stars Tommy Lee and Kid Rock. She divorced Tommy Lee back in 1998 when people still didn't realize Motley Crue was not actually that good, and she is only remarried in 2006 with Kid Rock. They got a divorce in 2007, probably because she heard his new songs all summer long for the first time and knew it was time to leave that wreck of a man. She had had 2 other much shorter marriages, but since neither of them was interesting as with the rock star, no good story came from them. Tony Curtis, 6 divorces. The father of the well-known Jamie Lee Curtis was married and subsequently divorced 6 whole times. His longest marriage was to Leslie Allen, which was his third wife already after their 14 years of marriage. Tony dabbled in relationship territory a bit but never really got close to becoming a monogamous man. He did marry a woman 42 younger than himself, which is legendary feat for any older man. Elizabeth Taylor, 8 divorces. The top tier divorcee of this evening is none other than Elizabeth Taylor. She got divorced 8 times during her lifetime, which just begs the question of why you would even bother getting married again in the first place. Her most famous partner was Richard Burton, whom she met on the set of Cleopatra. They got married twice in tandem after being divorced for less than a year. It's weird, but the second marriage didn't last longer than a year either. Everyone deserves a second, maybe even a third chance, but not everyone utilizes it properly.